To bake boneless, skinless chicken thighs, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place each piece of chicken under a piece of plastic wrap and tenderize it with a small mallet until each thigh is about 1/2 to 3/4 inch, 1.3 to 1.9 centimeters thick. Soak the thighs in a bowl of warm water with a pinch of salt mixed in for about 15 minutes to tenderize them even more. Grease a baking pan with butter or olive oil and rub a little bit more of the oil on the outside of the chicken. Season the thighs to taste with salt, pepper, and any other seasonings of your choice. Place the thighs in the baking pan and add some herbs and lemon wedges for extra flavor if you like. Cover the pan with tinfoil or parchment paper and place it in the oven for 20 minutes. Brush another layer of butter or oil on top of the chicken. Then let it cook for 10 to 15 more minutes. The chicken is done when the juices run clear when you cut into it, or when a meat thermometer inserted into the middle of the thigh reads 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius.